Hello students, I am telling you about fifth cutoff list. So you have to see some important things before seeing that. An overview of DU admission from previous year. You can see most popular courses last year: BA Honors English, BA Honors Political Science, BA program, BA Honor Economics, BA Honor History. Registration last year 3,67,895 candidates registered for 56,000 seats. College with the highest cutoff last year: Hindu for BA Political Science honor with 99% cutoff, and Jesus and Mary College for BA Psychology and honor with the 99% cutoff. And now you can see here what to do is to take admission in another course. You can read this, and if we will talk regarding documents needed during DU verification 2020, class 10th and 12th mark sheet, class 12 provisional certificate, original certificate, character certificate issued either by principal of the school or class gazetted officer, SC ST PWD CW AKM certificate if applicable, OBC non creamy layer affiliate if applicable, transfer certificate from school, college, migration certificate, at least 2 passport size self attested photographs. And now you can see what to do after DU first cutoff list 2020 is out. You know what? First cutoff, second cutoff, third cutoff, fourth cutoff, and fifth cutoff list has been released. And after the first these cutoffs, login and generate DU admission form if name appears in the merit list. Second step, after filling the online admission form, candidate have to upload scanned documents for online verification. In step third, if the documents are verified and admission is confirmed, candidates have to log in back to the portal and pay the admission fee using the link activated under their login. After the payment of the fee is successful, the admission is confirmed. In step 4, physical verification of the original documents is also done. The uploaded documents are verified by the respective colleges within the stipulated time period. If at this stage it is found that the information given by the applicants is false and or is not supported by the documents presented, the admission is intermittently cancelled and no fee is refunded in such type of cases. And you can see here, for SC 15%, ST 7.5%, OBC 27%. This is reservation percentage. You can see this chart: children, widow 5%, and Kashmiri migrants up to 5%. And reservation for DU cutoff you have seen. And factors on which DU first cutoff depends: the number candidate registering for a particular course, the number of seats available for admission, marks of the student applying for a particular course, past trends, popularity, demand on the particular course for admission, and it means the lowest score up to which the admission in the particular course and college was met. This differ from college to college and course to course. And now we are searching about fifth cutoff. Let's check. We are going for sixth cutoff, du.ac.in. We are selecting by here, and just we are checking that what is position of in this website for DU cutoffs. So now we can see last notice for notification regarding extension of last date of submission of examination forms. This is not for you students. And till fifth cutoff list, we can see here fifth cutoff list and sixth cutoff. Sixth cutoff list you can't see right now because activated link is not generated still. Now it is in pending, but after some time I'm telling you some idea for this, that you can see here. I'm showing you that special cutoff 18th November 2020, and sport round registration. You can see admission against sport round. This is between 18 to 20 November 2020. Last date for fee payment 22nd November 2020, and season start from 18 November 2020. And now you can see these dates also. Admission against fourth cutoff between 2nd to 4th November 2020, and fifth cutoff list. If we will talk regarding latest cutoff, I mean about fifth cutoff list 9th November 2020. Admission against fifth cutoff 9 to 11 November 2020, and last day to pay the fee 13 till 30 November 2020. So this was chart, and you know what, your sixth cutoff list for remaining seats which is available in colleges, I'll provide you later. This information I'll provide you later. And if you visited in this channel first time, you can subscribe this channel, because of whenever sixth cutoff list will be shown on the website, that link will be activated as soon as possible. I am expecting that within 2 or 3 days it will be activated, and then you can see your sixth cutoff list. So if you share this video till end, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.